Hello guys and welcome to it. Another day and another vlog. It's vlog time and away we go. So yun nga guys, naulan pa nga. It's raining. Alright, so it's all about a rainy vlog today because it's now 3rd of July. It's Saturday now. It's 12 noon right now already. So I have to eat a lunch for today. Kakain po kami ng lunch. Tinola, I think. So yun nga, nandito lang ako sa bahay, walang magagawa dahil yun nga, chill lang ako dito, naroon lang YouTube videos, music, and yeah. So yun nga guys, so naulan pa nga oh. It's just a moderate rain, I think. Ready to eat. Nandito na yung plato guys, tapos ito na yung nilulutong tinola. Here comes the food. That's so hot. And then we got rice here. Oh, we got rice. Eto na guys, kain na. Let's go. That's it. Done eating lunch and taking a toothbrush. So yeah, I'm gonna open my laptop right now. So currently it's 10 minutes before 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so I have nothing else to do about it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use my laptop to take the video edit just a little bit and then try to go sleep and take some music. See you guys later on. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Yeah guys, look at this weather here in Santo Domingo. It's 27 degrees Celsius right now. It's now getting heavy rain right now outside. I don't care about those rainy days. Even thunderstorms, I really hate it too as well. Oh, look at that. No more rainy. Not anymore. Hindi na naulan ngayon. So, yeah, look at that. Look at those mess. Oh yeah guys, by the way, we made it to the mid-year of July 2021. Yes, haha. So yeah, life update for now. It's been a while now, 7 months. I'm still staying healthy. Yeah, we gotta get through this. Even a pandemic, we should definitely stop it sooner. Yeah. Reb, how's it feel? How's it feel?
Alin?
Hindi, sabi ko musta ka na? How's it feel? Yeah, I'm good too. By the way guys, before I'm gonna finish this video, I'm gonna eat dinner for tonight. Then yeah, I already upload my new video on YouTube, which is this day, Saturday at 7:30. I already posted on YouTube, so I hope you watch it. So yeah, now I'm gonna start eating a dinner tonight. So my dinner for tonight is egg with corn tuna and some water. So that's my dinner. Alright guys, so I'm gonna eat for tonight's dinner. So yeah, so make sure to like, comment and subscribe down below to don't miss the notification on YouTube. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and you know what, I hope we're gonna get through this and then despite this pandemic. So see you guys on the next video and peace out.